My friend challenged me to make this photo manipulation in Canva, so I made it. Open Canva and then click Create. Choose your project size. I will choose Instagram post. Go to Element and then add an orange element. I will use BG Remover to remove this shadow. And then increase the size. And then add the zipper element. Remove the background. I will move it to here. Reduce the size. Like this. Duplicate. Select one of them and go to Edit. And then go to Filter. Scroll down to duotone and click Custom. Change the highlight. I will change it to black. And then I will move this one here. And then go to Edit. Find duotone again. Click Custom and I will change the white color to dark green. And then click Tools and choose this pen, Draw. Click here and then click on the color and make it white, the same as the background. And then start drawing here. And then close this part of the orange and click this select tool. And then click here, go to position, layers, and then move the white under the zipper. Now click share, download, and click download. I will add a new page and upload the image that we just downloaded and remove the background. I will increase the size to fit the page and then crop it. Click BG Remover again. I will remove manual here. Also here. And here. Okay. And then close. Now back to page 1. Position, layers, I will select the orange. And then right click, copy. Back to page 2. Right click and paste. And then go to transparency and reduce to about 28, 25, and then go to edit. Choose adjust. Add the brightness to maximum. Scroll down and reduce the contrast. Okay. And click element. And then add a background. I will choose this one, a golden tree. But before that, I will go to edit and then CO and choose blur. Click whole image. I will blur the intensity to about 76. And then close it. Place it here, or you can just right click and set image as background. Double click on it, on the background. I will drag it here. Alright, and then click done. And then I will add another orange element with leaf. Go to edit and CO, choose magic red, and then click here. Click grab. Remove the orange. I will flip it horizontal and I will place it here. I will move it like this. Okay. And then add another element. I will add this 2 horizontal lines of water. I will crop it. I will place it here. And then I will crop here. And go to position. Send it behind the orange. I will rotate and move it to the top a little. Like this. And reduce the transparency. About 88. Back to element. Let's add the fish. I will use this one. Reduce the size. We'll move it here. I reduce again. Rotate. Back to position. Move it behind the orange. Now let's add some effect using Canva element. I will add this water drops PNG. Reduce the size. I will place it on the leaf. Also this element water drops transparent set. Reduce the size. I will place it in the other leaf. Duplicate. I will place it here. Alright, and then add the other water drop transparent element. I will use this one. Reduce the size. I will place it here. Duplicate. I will reduce the size and place here. Duplicate again. I will place it here. I will add the other transparent water drop. Reduce the size. I'll place it here and duplicate. Reduce the size. Place here. Go to position. I will move the transparent orange behind the zip orange. Okay. Now I will select them all and group them. Move to the top a little. And then add this pulpwood platform element. Okay, I will increase the size and place it here. I will send it to back. Now add black shadow element. Increase the size. And also this minimal shadow element. And I will place it here. Go to position. And then move the first shadow behind the other element. The orange element, I mean. Increase a little. Now select the second shadow. I will place it here in front of the orange. Move it here. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.